Trump's ego is bruised, and it shows. The US president is clearly irked. India's deepening ties with Russia aren't sitting well with Donald Trump, and he has made his displeasure public without restraint. In a dramatic escalation, Trump has imposed an additional 25% tariff on Indian imports, effectively doubling the penalty to a staggering 50%. This move isn't just economic retaliation, it's geopolitical signal. But India has responded with calm defiance. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made it clear that India will never compromise and we are ready, even if we have to pay a heavy price.
व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं।
The Ministry of External Affairs has also publicly questioned both Trump's position and European Union's double standards, a rebuttal that left Trump without a clear answer.
President,
Thank you.
India says that the US imports Russian uranium, chemicals, fertilizers, while criticizing their energy imports. Your response to that, sir?
I don't know anything about it. I'd have to check, but we'll get back to you on that. Yeah, please.
And as Trump turns up the heat, India turns up its diplomacy. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has landed in Moscow. The timing, strategic. The message, unmistakable. India is not backing down. And this isn't a one-off visit. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is also expected to visit Russia later this month. So why is New Delhi standing its ground? Let's break down why India-Russia relations are so vital and why Trump's tariff threats are unlikely to shake this foundation. India and Russia's diplomatic ties predate Indian independence, established as early as April 1947. Over decades, this partnership has endured wars, regime changes, and shifting world orders. During the 1965 Indo-Pak War, it was Moscow, then the Soviet Union, that played mediator, even hosting the Tashkent summit in the year 1966 to negotiate peace. During the 1971 war, Moscow's support for New Delhi was crucial, arguably marking the zenith of the Indo-Soviet relationship. Even after the Cold War, the partnership did not dissolve. It matured, with annual bilateral summits beginning in the year 2000 and a strategic partnership that has continued, uninterrupted. Even the Russia-Ukraine war did not fracture India-Russia ties. While much of the West imposed sanctions and diplomatic isolation, India held its line, maintaining ties, balancing optics, and pursuing national interests. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited President Putin in July 2024, and India repeatedly abstained from UN Security Council resolutions condemning Moscow. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has perhaps summed it up best. India-Russia relations are the one constant in an unpredictable world. First, defense cooperation. Russia has historically been India's largest arms supplier. In the early 1990s, over 70% of India's army weapons, 80% of air force systems, and 85% of naval assets were Russian in origin. Today, the number stands at 36% as India diversifies towards the US, France, Israel, and Italy. But Russia remains a key pillar, especially in high-end platforms and joint development projects. Then, energy security. Russian crude now accounts for nearly 40% of India's total oil imports, up from just 2% in the year 2021, a meteoric shift. Additionally, Russian firm Rosatom is building 6 nuclear power reactors in India, expanding the civil nuclear partnership. Now let's talk about economic ambitions. Bilateral trade has surged to $68 billion, with a shared goal to push that to $100 billion by the year 2030. Payment mechanism, logistic corridors, and currency arrangements are all being explored to bypass Western sanctions and enable smoother trade. Now let's talk about cultural and people-to-people ties. Since the year 2023, Indian tourists can apply for e-visas to Russia, typically processed within 4 days. There are even talks of visa-free travel between the two nations, a soft power move with deep strategic undertones. Trump's tariff escalation may rattle headlines, but not India's strategic compass. Russia remains indispensable for energy, defense, and as a time-tested ally in global diplomacy. New Delhi stance isn't emotional, it's realpolitik. India isn't choosing sides, it's choosing strategic autonomy. So as NSA Doval holds key meetings in Moscow and Jaishankar prepares to follow suit, one message rings clear. India will not be bullied. not by tariffs, not by temper or tantrums. And Washington may soon have to accept the new geopolitical reality. India's ties with Russia are here to stay.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.